to all who disbelieves in the revelation of the Quran. The Quran proposes a challenge to you known as the producibility test. The Quran dare you to replicate its like. A challenge that to this day remain unmet. Quran 8:31 and 68-15. And when our revelations are recited to them, they say, "We have heard." Had we wanted, we could have said the like of this. These are nothing but myths of the ancients. God then challenged them to produce it. In Quran chapter to verse 23-24. And if you are in doubt about what we have revealed to our servant, then produce a chapter like these. But if you do not, and you will not, then beware the fire whose fuel is people and stones prepared for the disbelievers. Likewise in Quran 11:13-14 it is stated, or do they say, "He invented it." Say, then produce 10 chapters like it, invented, and call upon whomever you can, besides God, if you are truthful. But if they fail to answer you, know that it was revealed with God's knowledge. Quran 17-88 say, if mankind and jinn came together to produce the like of this Quran, they could never produce the like of it, even if they backed up one another. Quran 10:37-39 says, this Quran could not have been produced by anyone other than God. In fact, it is a confirmation of what preceded it, and an elaboration of the book. There is no doubt about it, it is from the Lord of the universe. Or do they say, he has forged it? Say, then produce a single chapter like it, and call upon whomever you can apart from God if you are truthful. In fact, they deny what is beyond the limits of their knowledge, and whose explanation has not yet reached them. Quran 52:233-34 says, or do they say he made it up? Rather, they do not believe. So let them produce a discourse like it if they are truthful. For detail, click the link in my bio to get Quran Unbroken challenges on Amazon. In it, I collated all the challenges presented by the Quran to disbelievers, atheists, and skeptics, with Quranic references and established scientific facts.